What video? I'm working on the model airplane you gave me yesterday. I'll watch it when I'm done. In other words, you sent me a tutorial just so I could put together a model airplane faster? It's hard not to think about you when I'm sanding and grouping hundreds of parts one piece at a time. Yep. Anyway, I'm almost done with the model. I thought this thing was for beginners. Doesn't it only take a day or two for kids to finish? Can't let a couple of kids beat me, right? You said you'll visit me after I'm done assembling this thing. I know. But I don't want to put off seeing you for too long. That's not what I meant. Pipsqueak, only very, very simple things are going on in Caleb's head every day. He'll tell you about them if you ask. Depends on how you ask the question. Let's say you ask me if I thought about you while building the model airplane. Just like you did earlier, I'm gonna say what you want to hear. AKA, yes, I did think about you. In that case, rather than just think about you, I want you to keep your promise right now. I've finished assembling the model. Let's meet up today.